Welcome back to the Cruise World. Today we're on board Royal Caribbean's Utopia of the Seas, taking a look at inside Stateroom 9541. Whether you're already booked or looking for that perfect ship, the Cruise World has you covered with ship and room tours, vlogs, tips, parodies, and a whole lot more. So if you love cruising, make sure you're subscribed with that notification bell turned on. Entering the room, we get a good look at that king-sized bed that's flanked on each side by the closets. Directly across from the bed is a nice-sized flat-screen TV mounted on the wall with some storage hooks below it. Moving on to the desk and vanity area, where you'll find a decent-sized workspace as well as 3 standard outlets, 2 European outlets, and USB Type A and C ports. Right next to the desk is the dresser, which features 5 drawers for storage and a mini fridge. Across from the desk, there's a small couch, and it's always nice to have this for an additional place to sit in the room and relax other than the bed. Here on the left side of the bed, there's a nightstand with a couple of cubby spaces, your telephone, and a reading light that features a standard outlet. And over here on the right side of the bed, we have the same nightstand and reading light. Now we'll take a look at the closet space to the right side of the bed, and this closet features 2 racks for hanging your clothes and plenty of hangers. Now, if you do need more hangers, your stateroom steward will be happy to get you some. The closet here on the left side of the bed offers some more hanging space, as well as 5 good-sized cubby spaces, a safe, and 2 drawers here at the bottom. Just inside the entryway is a nice full-size mirror, so you can make sure you look your best for formal night. And over here on the back of the door is some safety information, as well as your muster location, which is on deck 4. Here's your main light switch for the room, and you'll need to keep a card in the slot for constant power. The electronic thermostat control is right here next to the bathroom, which features an adequate size shower with a curved glass door, a footrest, and a 2-in-1 shampoo and shower gel dispenser. There's ample space here to the left of the sink, as well as some additional shelves to the left and below. Thanks for checking out the Utopia of the Seas inside Stateroom 9541 with us today. Utopia is an amazing ship, and if you have any questions or you're ready to book your next cruise vacation, give us a call at the number on the screen or email thecruiseworldtravel@gmail.com. Be sure to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss out on the latest cruise content. But most of all, remember, life is short and cruising is fun. We'll see you next time.